Welcome to Math Flashcards, Addition Insertion, 1st and 2nd grades. My name is Philip King. I am going to show you some math problems involving addition. Your job is to shout out the answer before the clock stops ticking. When the clock stops ticking, I will tell you the answer. Are you ready? Okay, let us begin. 3 plus something equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 7 plus something equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Something plus 5 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 1 plus something equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 7 plus something equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 2 plus something equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Something plus 6 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 8 plus something equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Something plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Something plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus something equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 8 plus something equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 3 plus something equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Something plus 0 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Something plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Something plus 7 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 5 plus something equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Something plus 4 equals 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 3 plus something equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 5 plus something equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus something equals 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 4 plus something equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 9 plus something equals 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Something plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Something plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus something equals 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 8 plus something equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 4 plus something equals 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Something plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 11 plus something equals 12. 11 plus 1 equals 12. 7 plus something equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Something plus 9 equals 11. 2 plus 9 equals 11. Something plus 5 equals 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 4 plus something equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus something equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Well, that's it for this lesson. How did you do? I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. If you are interested in WordPress and starting your own business, then you should also check out the King Solutions website. The link is below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.